this video, we will take a closer look at diamond point TF21.
TF21 is a thick, flat-ended, tapered diamond point. It is a blue band coarse diamond point. Keep TF21 parallel to the long axis of the tooth to get a 6-degree taper to enhance your retention form. It is used to enhance and increase the width of the proximal margins. Move the diamond point proximally following the buccal and lingual margins. TF21 can be also used for occlusal and incisal surface beveling, and also to enhance the functional bevel. Make sure you move the diamond point in gentle and continuous strokes for a smooth surface and an enhanced margin.
Understanding its ideal application and how to use it effectively for a precise clinical results. Watch my other videos on diamond points for tooth preparation at Instrumentor 2.0. Do like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel for more dental tips.